Hello everyone, peace be upon you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to download songs for free using your phone and Chrome browser. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Step 1. Open the Chrome app on your phone. Step 2. In the search bar, type Pixabay and tap on the first website that appears. It's a free and copyright-free platform. Step 3. Once the site loads, swipe left on the top menu and tap on Music. Step 4. You'll now see a list of songs. Tap on the download icon beside any song you like. If you're looking for a specific song style, you can use the search bar to filter results. Usually it goes to your Files or Downloads folder. Step 6. Open the Files app on your phone, and there you'll see the song has been downloaded. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded free music with no copyright issues. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel.